Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today we discuss about what is trial balance and objectives of trial balance and also pro forma of trial balance. What is a trial balance? Introduction to trial balance. Trial balance is a list of closing balances of ledgers accounts on certain date. Here, trial balance is a list of closing balances of ledger accounts. We are already known ledger accounts closing balances. It is month to month is transfer. Then and it is the first step toward the preparation of financial statements. We already know about financial statements, profit and loss account, balance sheet, income statement. It is usually prepared at the end of an accounting period, assistant the drafting financial statement. Trial balance is prepared at the end of the year. It may be financial year or calendar year. Calendar year is 1st January and ended with 31st December. If financial year is started with April 1st and ended with March 31st. Now we are going to ledger balance are divided into debit balances and credit balance. We are already know every balance is divided into two types. One is debit, another one is credit. Now we are going to another para. Assets and expenses accounts are appear on the debit side of the trial balance. Here in the trial balance, assets and expenses are debit, whereas liability and capital income accounts are appearance in the credit side. Here liabilities, capital and income are credited. If accounting entries are recording correctly, all the ledgers balance are accurately exerted. Now we can define simple. The total of debits balance on appearing in the trial balance must be equal to sum of the credits. Here according to rule of dual accept, debit is equal to credit. Now what is the main purpose of the trial balance? What is the purpose of prepare to trial balance? Why we are prepared trial balance? Now we simply describe a trial balance is checks the double entry system work. It is check it double entry system rules is correct or not, and another one is used basis for preparation of financial account. The major thing is it is used for financial accounts. Then it is formula of this one. The total entries, the total double debit entries is equal the total credit entries. We are already described above page. Now if the double entry system has been applied correctly or not, we are found it. If debit amount is sum, then credit amount is equal to sum. Then we are going to another para. The balance is consist of debit column with all debit balance of the command and credit column with all credit balance of credit accounts. The total of 3 columns if total is presumed that ledger has been mentioned correctly. Now we take a definition for trial balance. Trial balance may be defined as a statement. Trial balance, it is a statement which contains balances of all ledgers accounts on a particular date. Date may be end of the year. Preparation of trial balance. Trial balance is not an account. It is only a list of or schedule of balances of ledger accounts including cash and bank balance also. It is prepared on a particular date. We are already know it is on particular date. The account having a debit balance are entered in the debit amount column and credit balance amount entered into credit amount. The total of two sides of the accounts may be also used to operate trial balance. The sum of each column should be equal. That is called debit is called credit. The standard format of trial balance is given below. Now we check once. Trial balance, pro forma of trial balance. Here the above of body title of the trial balance, here open with double counts and closed with double counts. The trial balance dash, here the company name as on date year end or financial year, maybe calendar year. With the trial balance is have 4 columns. First one is name of the account, then another one is ledger portfolio, third one is debit amount, fourth one is credit amount. Here according to the trial balance, assets expenses are debit, liabilities capital, income or credit. We are already discussed about in above page. Now here trial balance can be prepared with 3 methods. One is total balance method, second one is balanced method, third one is combined method. Here most of the people follow balanced method. Here balanced method means on the debit side amount assets and expenses is equal to credit side. Here liabilities capital income are equal to debit side. If debit side amount is sum, it is equal to credit side also same. Now we are look like this pro forma. Now we are going to another principles. Debit is called credit, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. It is the basics fundamental of accounting. Now we are going to preparation of trial balance, types of preparation of trial balance. Theoretically spreading a trial balance can be prepared in the following 3 ways, where one is total methods, second one is balanced method, another one is total cum balance method. Here total method is taking at the time of credit and debit same, whole amount is total, its take has considered. The balance method is balance carried down and balance brought down. Based on that, the total cum balances method is based both similarities is mixing. Now we are describe about objectives of preparing the trial balance. The trial balance is prepared to fulfill the following objectives: ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. We are already described about debit is called credit, credit is called debit. It is basic fundamental rule for trial balance. Now help to locating errors. If any mistake in ledger preparation at the time of trial balance we can find out, then that mistake is recovered with rectification of errors. And then third one is help to the preparation of financial statements. The financial statements is like profit and loss account, balance sheet, income statement. Thank you all.